Namaskar friends, I'm Abhishek and I used to teach science. Now let's go for the next topic. What is the next topic? Till now we have studied about the rules for this ray diagram. Now we will go for the the ray diagrams. So further, first we will go for convex. So first thing is we are going for the convex. Sorry, we will go for the concave lens only because it will be easier if you will remember this concave. So this is the rule for concave mirror. Now what is a concave mirror? This is a concave mirror. We will draw a principal focus. Principal axis. This is the principal axis. Principal axis. Let's name it with y/xy. This is MN aperture. Again, this is pole P. This is F. This is C. This is the thing that we have studied till now. Now we will go for this ray diagram. What happens? The first diagram says when an object is there at infinity. So what we are going to do over here, we will write a box we will do, and we will just write. You will take a screenshot of everything. Accordingly, we will change it. Object position image position object position and image position. That means where the object will be situated and where the image will be formed. We will go through that. Then we will go for the size of the image. What happens to the size of the image? And the last but not the least, the nature of the image. Now let's go for this first ray diagram. The object's position, that means from the where this comes, the ray when it will come from for an object, that is the object position. Let first, in the first bit we will take from the infinity the object is there. That means from where it comes, it comes from the infinity. That means these are the rays that will come from the infinity. Now, as we know, whenever a ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, that will go through the focal. Again, this will also come through the focus. Again, this will come through the focus. This will be the directions. And we know that from the center line, if you will go, then again it will come back. This will also go back. Again from here also we are going to draw. Got it? So where will be the position? The position will be at F. At F. Size of the image? Point size. You can mark that it is forming a point. So this is a point size. At the last, we will write what happens to this nature of the image. What is the nature of image? Now we will go for this drawings only. What happens? That means the nature. Exactly, if I will tell you, then there are two things. That is, one is the real image, another one is real and virtual. The two topics will be there, real and virtual. You first take a screenshot of this, then I will get it. Alright, now let's go for the second topic. Sorry. Let me explain you this. Real image means the image is being formed, whereas virtual means image of the image. Real means the image is formed, and from this image again if an image is getting formed, that is called the virtual image. So now you could understand that whether it is a real image or about this virtual image. So over here in concave mirror, here it will form real image. Got it? Now let's go for the second one. Now here, if you will consider this is F, this is C. We considered for the first object's position is at infinity. Now we will come beyond C. If I will take an object over here that is beyond C, then what will the image will be formed? Let me tell you. This is beyond C. Now let's go to the second one. So as we know, this is the aperture, this is the principal axis, x, y. Now we will place this object beyond C. Then what happens? Because at first we noted that it is kept at the infinity. Now we will go for this beyond C. Beyond C means C for it beyond C. So beyond C as it is, gote drawing gote ray diagram then where it comes? Here comes at this focus gote hegala. Then the second topic is second rule use here. Let me देखो, it is an object. Let this be object AB. B object AB. यार कौन बोली मुझे दुईटा रे रेली. गोटे रेली parallel to the principal axis. सेटा पुनी आसी गला focus दे गिरी. पुनी आउटर रे रेली same point रू आगा through C. Through C माने कौन से पुनी आउटर bounce back की जाऊँगी. Bounce back की करना रे कौन आउँगी. एटे गोटे जंक्शन आसी होची मीट होची. तो एक्जेक्टली एई जगह रे ही इमेज टा फॉर्म होची. तो इमेज AB रो इमेज कौन आसी A dash B dash. तो इमेज कोड फॉर्म होची between C and F. Between C and F. एबे देखिए एती इधर लिखिले पुणी देखो साइज ऑफ द इमेज कौन आसी. तो ये जो पॉइंट साइज आसी दिस इज हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. whereas C and F रे जोड़ा आसिला तो एटा मु करि दो एटा बेटर होइबो. C and F पई beyond C कोड आसिला एटा between C and F आसिला यार साइज का कोन आसीबो डिमिनिश देखो एस कंपेयर ता आगे कोन आसीला ना पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट आसीला एथर देखो टी छोट बड़ आसी तो एटा भी डिमिनिश्ड अछि देखो एस कंपेयर टू द ऑब्जेक्ट साइज आर साइज छोट अछि so this is diminished again this is real and inverted आसी ना inverted देखो एटा एमिति कितला एटा सडनली चेंज हो गेला पड़े तो inverted हो गेला take the screenshot because every more एटा लिखे देबी तो पुनी आते रहइबो हेले कोन कले गोटे थरा इंफिनिटी रखिले एबे c रु पछपट रखिले एबे कोन करी हम एक्जेक्टली c ऊपर रखिले कोड रखिले एक्जेक्टली c ऊपर व्हाट हैपेंस आसिला बजी की चलला let this be ab होची ऑब्जेक्ट रो तो अबे थर्ड रे में ऑब्जेक्ट को रखिले एट c रे रखिले c माने कोन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर रखि देले कोन करले दीटा रेट आने पुनी अंदर सेम एज यूजुअल प्रोसेस border parallel to the principal axis then that will come through the focus आसी वाला गोटे रे आउट कोन बोले रेट आपको फोकस देई नेले सी पैरेलल के आसीला जोड़ा में रूल बोर्ड दिले फर्स्ट रूल और सेकंड रूल एट यूजेज then where we got this at c only देखो पूरा दिले फर्स्ट इंफिनिटी रू पुणी आसले हमें c रो आगो को पुणी आसले c को एबे नेक्स्ट पोजीशन कोन होबो जानि छ तमे भी जोड़ा कोन से सेटा है एबे कोन c और f भीतर ही आसी ऑब्वियसली तो एडर साइज केवल आसी देखो सेम साइज अछि सेम साइज एडा पुणी आउथरे रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड सेम साइज अछि बट रियल एंड इन्वर्ट अछि और रियल इमेज फॉर्म अछि कैना एकरो डायरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म नै अछि काफी छि इमेज फॉर्म नै सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रियल इमेज एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज नाउ वी गो फॉर द एडा बे आबे से थर्ड टा सरी होला नाउ वी गो फॉर द फोर्थ वन हेले सी आसी गेले सी माने कोन एबे बिटवीन सी एंड एफ रखियो ऑब्जेक्ट को रखिले सी और एफ भीतर रखियो अरे एबे कोई भी तुम एडे कोन हो this will come like this now this will go like this and it will come like this अगर कोन रखिले सी रखिले सी टू पर रखिले सी और एफ मध्य रे पुणी बदला मैं बोलला बदला आसीला बाहर पुणी अदर बाजी के आसीला दिस इज द फोर्थ वन कोन एटा बिटवीन सी एंड एफ कोडे फॉर्म होची बियॉन्ड सी रे beyond C. Size देखो, size is enlarged. Enlarged, again it is real and inverted. ये बुझी रहती है? मलाई थी? Not openly, take a screenshot. ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା 4 ନମ୍ବର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଛି 5 ନମ୍ବର 6 ନମ୍ବର ଏଇ ପାଠ ଲେଖିଦେବି ବିକଜ ଜାଗା ନାହିଁ ତ this is C F એટલે କଣ କଲେ ନା ଏବେ ରଖିଲେ କଣ ଏଇ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି 5 नंबर ऑब्जेक्ट को रखिथिले एबे सी और एफ भीतर रखिथिले एबे एफ ऊपर एड रखियो एट एफ रखले कोन होची इमेज ता देखियो एट एफ रखिदेली मतलब एलसी 8.2 भी तो सी की देगी लेपी कौन आसी मोर छाती 8.2 मु गोटे रे लेली जोडे कि सी देगी जाई परिबो तो दिस इज द थिंग एटा कोन पैरेलल ही आसी दीटा जाको पैरेलल ही जीवो दिस इज कमिंग लाइक दिस सो दिस विल कम पैरेलल तो पैरेलल माने कोन पैरेलल मींस it will form at infinity कोड फॉर्म होची at infinity तो आर इमेज टा कोन हो इमेज स्पेस कोन ही करियो जेबी देखले हम एटा कोन पॉइंट साइज असला तार डिमिनिश तापर एटा सेम साइज असला तापर एनलार्ज एटा हाईली enlarged again this is real and inverted. Good that. Have a next topic. Answer number here. Pune pe 6 number. It is the most important thing for this. So it is कौन बोले हमें? Again same thing. नंबर देखिए कौन होची we will place it between એટલે ଏବେ ଆସିଗଲେ କଣ f ଯାଏ ଆସିଗଲେନି f ଅଛି ଏଟା c ଅଛି ଏଟା f ଅଛି ଦେନ୍ ଆସିବ କଣ ଏଟା ନା f and focus and pole p ଏ ଦି ଜଣ ଭିତରେ ରଖିଲେ ଏ ଜଣ ଭିତରେ ରଖିଲେ କଣ ଅଛି जदि सी पॉइंट रू ही हमें नेबा जदि सी ऊपर है then it will come like this and it will go like this then the image will be formed other side of the mirror तो कोडी फॉर्म होची ना other side of the mirror other side of the mirror. It's a very special case. हम कौन है जी ना एपॉड साइड रहे ता ऑब्जेक्ट जेतବେଳେ सेटा सेंटर देखि गोटे नेले कोन आने ने एटा फोकस रही गला सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर रहिला देन ये पाखे कोन होला ना आ पाखु गोटे नेले दे पछाडे आनली फोकस देकी another one point will come from the this thing, it will go through the center of curvature, then it will form at this other side of the mirror. It becomes highly magnified. For the first time we will know about this virtual image. This is virtual and erect. You could find that it is a erect image as well as it is a virtual image also. So here completes your concave mirrors total diagrammatic part. It is the ray diagrams. All the points are important. You can take the screenshot also. This is the 5th point. This is the 6th point. Take the screenshot. I'm not having that much of board size that I can explain you in bigger drawings. Take the screenshot. Now in the next class we will go for the convex mirror. So our last topic thला that is about the convex mirror. So convex mirror मु तो आगु भी इंट्रोडक्शन देख साइड से convex mirror कोन अछि माने केमिति दिसे convex mirror त केमिति अछि concave mirror केमिति थिला तो concave mirror चाहिँ somewhat we have completed and right now we are going for this convex mirror. So same process that we will go for the position of the object, position of the image, then we will go for the size of the image and the nature of the image. तो এই জায়গায় আমি দেখিবে কোন কনভেক্স মিরর কেমিতি রে কোন ডায়াগ্রাম আর রে ডায়াগ্রাম করবে तो here तो আমি জানছন্তি जोड़ा की outer side reflecting that is called the convex, outer side reflecting. So today we will go for convex mirror. This is the last topic of this reflection part and the further topics are there. If you wish I could make a video of that also. ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା ଏଟା तो बाहर आडे जोड़ा भी होची those are called as the convex mirrors reflection. The first object कौन अछि ना object at infinity. हम object टा कोड रखिया ना somewhere in the infinity. तो infinity रखा गला तो first diagram एके कोड होची second diagram so that you could get a very good idea about it. Now see if আমি কেমনি দেখিতলে না যেতবেলে ভি আসিবো ये গলা ये बाउंस ହେଇକି बाहर हो जिवो तो somewhere if the object is at infinity that means somewhere at infinity को जगह अछि हमको जणा नै बस एडे में रखि दे then where will be the position the sorry from where this will go in this direction. एटा को जदि मु एक्सटेंड करिबी फॉर बैकवर्ड्स ए जगह रे मन रख फसछु now could you see ए जगह बुझला जे from infinity गला then this becomes the f, this becomes the pole. These are the things what happens infinity to asibo bachila chala this is x and y. This is M and N. What is M and N? M and N is the aperture, and this is the principal axis. If a ray of light is passing parallel to the principal axis, that will bounce back, and where the image will form here. So image is formed at F. And what is the image size? That is point size. Point size. So here we got that it is a point size. It is highly diminished. It is also highly diminished. It is highly diminished point size, and what would be the nature? It is virtual and direct. Virtual and direct. So here we got to know that if the object is at infinity, the image is formed at f, that is at the focus, and size of the image is point sized and highly diminished. And if you will go for the nature of the image, that is virtual and direct. So whatever the next जे हमें देखिले कोन ना जो भी कनकेव मिरर रे छोटे डायग्राम आसेला कोन ना गोटा रखले इंफिनिटी, देन वी विल गो फॉर द बियॉन्ड दैट, देन f, देन बिटवीन f and c, देन वी विल गो फॉर p and f. एई जगह रे कोन ना समथिंग डिफरेंट, एटी तो गोटे देखले एटी इंफिनिटी, आ गोटे एनीवेयर फ्रॉम infinity to pole. ए पोल टू एपटे जोटी भी रखिबा तार पोजीशन टा में काटिबा, बस दैट्स ऑल. ए गोटे दीटा पॉइंट. तो सेकंड पॉइंट कोन होबो, दैट इज बिटवीन इंफिनिटी एंड पोल p. बुझिला? तो इंफिनिटी और पोल p हमें देखिया, तापर एटा कोन होबो देखिया, तापर देखिया देन मु समवेयर रखिली. Let this be my object, that is A, B. This row goes and it travels like this. तो एटा कोन होबो ना मोर एमिति चलला, got it? एटा कोन गला ना ए पाखु चलला, सॉरी. So it has that when a ray is traveling parallel to the principal axis, that travels bounces back, and if that is being what it is said, if it is subtend, then we will get the focus. So here is the focus. First point I mumdi wala je ko jaga focus ani mu again. Another rule, जेमिति के हमें पढ़िथिले सेबे रूल गुडा को जे जदी गोटे पॉइंट रू सी देकी जाउची, व्हाट सी देकी जीवो. लेट मी ड्रॉ अ वेरी गुड डायग्राम फॉर दिस, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल. सॉरी फॉर दिस इंटरप्शन. लेट दिस बी सेकंड नंबर if the object is this size. Let me rub this. This is the thing what happens. So here is somewhere C, that is as I have discussed last class, that PF is equal to FC, that is focal length is twice of the center of radius of curvature. So this is, if this is the radius, then this is equal to the focal length. This is the focal length. So if a ray passes through the center of curvature, it bounces back in the same, through the same line. So this is the center of curvature line. Got it? If it goes like this, then it will come back like this only. Now could you see over here that it meets here? Got this? If this is the size AB, if this is point focal point or principal focus, is that it is also called as, if that is going through this, एटा जदि एमिति करला, देन ये बाउंस बैक हबो. जदि आपन पछपटे लंबे नेबी, देन एई पाखरे तार फोकस पॉइंट रे से मीट करिवो. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज कमिंग द इमेज केमिति आसीओ, a डैश b डैश. हम केबे भी नेम गुडा को सेम दे पाइबानी, ab को ab a डबल नेम सेम करबे, बिकॉज़ दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज द इमेज. तो हम ए जगह कोन देखिले ना, दिस इज द इमेज. where this image is being formed, image code hochi, image is between P and F. P and F भितर होची, तो ये कौन होगा between P and F. P F भितर obviously image is being formed. And if you will go for this size of the image, it is diminished. Size is diminished, and whatever the nature, again the same thing, virtual and direct. Virtual and direct. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay. So here completes your convex mirror concepts. So till now I have taught you about all the concepts of the ray diagram and how this ray diagram is being done. केमिति हमें करि परिया रे डायग्राम रो रूल्स कोन अछि, या भितर कोन सब ऑब्जेक्ट अछि, सब्जेक्ट कोन मेन टॉपिक्स कोन, ए सब विषय रे हम सब जानते. एबे देखियो आर कोन अछि ना uses are something different, and it is much more important because according to the on the exam point of view this topic is much more important. जदि हमें देखियो जिबा from recent 4 to 5 years मु देखिलेनी अगु एई जो चैप्टर जो ऑप्टिक्स चैप्टर रहे जोडा के हमर मिरर हमरो रिफ्लेक्शन रिफ्रैक्शन ए बेसिस जति पूरा चैप्टर अछि ऑप्टिक्स चैप्टर, we will get near about 20 to 25 marks. केते मार्क्स अछि हम भितरे पाखा पाखी अछि 20 to 25 marks. So easily a student can get the pass marks from this. Pass mark पाखा पाखी पाइ दिबो because 20 marks is not a small thing. तो ए जगह हम 20 marks we will obtain. केमिति भी होछु एबे जाई जति की डायग्राम देछि, just have the practice and you will definitely master on these drawings. And these drawings are very much important. Directly question board question bhitar pura direct ase a question, may that be ICSE, CBSE or CHSE, HSE, everybody from the exam point of view this chapter is very much important. Okay, so the uses are also important. It comes near about in the 2 marks questions. It will not come separately 2 marks. दिमाग आसे नहीं, ये जनरल के मीडिया से ना 5 marks question आसीबो, 5 marks question भीतर कोन आसीबो ना what happens when the object is placed at somewhere, and do the rest things. You will do the drawing and name the mirror in which this concept is used. Second bit ରହିବ or third bit ରହିବ, write some uses about this. And with this concave and convex mirror part is completed, and the rest 2-3 concepts are there, and that I will explain you. पिले माने जदि एई टॉपिक रे किछि भी डाउट्स अछि, then definitely you let me know about the topic, and you can also join my Telegram link, and the Telegram link is given in the description. You can find it out and join the link and ask me each and every doubt that you are getting in this topic. I will definitely get you to the doubt and I will clear you. जहाँ भी डाउट रही आमे सेटा क्लियर करिबा, एंड सही पॉइंट रही मे बी मते टिके लेट हे पारे बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रॉब्लम्स एंड वर्क्स, बट मो डेफिनेटली आई विल गेट टू यू एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली आंसर योर डाउट्स एंड आई विल क्लियरिफाई योर डाउट्स. नाउ लेट्स एंड द टॉपिक. आ एसे तो मु कहूची घरे रहंतु, सुस्थ रहंतु, आ आपण चारि पाखरे पूरा सफा सफाई रखंतु. स्वच्छ भारत, जय हिंद. और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग भी मेंटेन करिबा इन दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड. इट इज अ प्रायर thing that we should follow. If you love this video, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends.